Hi, this is Miss Deesa, and today we'll talk about how to make calendars, or talking about calendars. This is my calendar, and this is a month for today, and it's a normal looking calendar. I hope you use calendars because I do to remember things that I need to do or what day it is. I look at it and see appointments that I have. Maybe somebody's going to call or I need to call somebody, and so I'll write it down and make a note on the calendar. Calendars have 12 months, January through December, and there's a little rhyme that you can try to remember on how many days each month calendar has. And it goes like this: 30 days has September, April, June, and November. February has 28 alone, all the rest have 31, excepting leap year, and that's the time when February's days are 29. So it says most months have 31 days, but there are 4 that have 30. So you have different months with different days, and they start different times. So if you want to make a calendar, which I hope you do, you can start with a sheet of paper so that you can make the different numbers in order that they go on for the various months that they have. So there are 7 days in a week, and that's how I start my calendar month, by putting the days of the week on top. There are 7 days, and in order to put them on the paper equally, I'll start with a sheet of paper and then fold it in half, hot dog style. And then I'll fold it in half again. Trying to be very careful that all the corners match so that the lines will be even. These will make up little boxes. I'll fold it one more time. And then we have 8 lines going up and down the paper. Now 8 is not 7, but there's one more line in here. And when you get done, it'll kind of look like this. And you can either fold it underneath, or you can leave it out and take your crayon and make designs, maybe some flowers here. That's pretty light. Take darker crayon. And then mark the days: Sunday with an S, Monday, M, T, W, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That would go in the top line. Now the lines that go across your paper have to be about between 4 and 6 for the numbers, but then a little bit extra space so they can put the name of the month. So to make those, I took a ruler and measured 4 centimeters. Now you don't need a ruler, really. You could use any piece of paper and mark down a space that would be the same for every row. So if I wanted to have a row that was 4 centimeters, it would be this long. So I would mark spaces here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For May, I need 7 that go down. I would make marks on the other side of my paper, same spaces, 2, 3, 4, all the way down, and then connect the lines. Make the line by connecting the dots. You can connect the dots by using a ruler or some kind of a straight edge. Grab a magazine, line it up, and then put your line right here. And do the rest to make your boxes. So, that would be May. If you wanted to make it look pretty, you could find a piece of paper. And like I said, if you have the extra, you just fold it that way. And then tape or glue it to the paper. Now, on the back of your spaces, normally calendars have pictures, so you can draw yourself a picture and put them all together. One more thing is that you need to make sure that you check your work yourself, or you could ask a friend or relative, parent, grown-up, or somebody to make sure that all the numbers are right and they're all in order. Now for April 1st starts on a Wednesday, so you'd start your 1 right here in the little box that is right under the W for Wednesday, and then you'd keep going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and keep on going. If you make your numbers small, you'll have a bigger space for writing notes. If you make them big, then you can see your calendar from across the room. You can know what day it is by just glancing at it. I have a calendar here that I got, and someone did not check their work because they wrote their numbers here for June, and then they got to 20, 21, I don't know if you can see this, 22, and then they went to 24. They skipped 23, and so when I wanted to write my dates in, they were on the wrong days. So I wrote in my numbers 23, 24, 25, 26. Then I had to write another box for June in order to get all the days in. So don't be like this company. Make sure your numbers are right. Then when you get done with April, and if you want to make another month, you have to make sure that you start your numbers where they left off. April 30th was a Thursday, the Friday is a 1st. So that would start May under the F for Friday. Well, I hope you have a good time making your calendars, and don't forget to decorate them very nicely, put them all together, or just do 1 month at a time. Have fun. Bye.